Alright, out here in the Bahamas at perfect day at CocoCay. You guys can see that's the ship back there, of course. CocoCay. I have no idea where I'm going right now. I just jumped on the first little train that I can see, tram, and I guess I'm going to the beach and wherever else. There's a big old water park right there. Dopey dope. So here it is, y'all. I'm at the beach right now. I did decide to get in just a little bit, not too far. Water's clear. Feels really good out here. It's really cool. It's a little fish along the. I'm at the end. I didn't want to take my stuff off to get all the way in, but I'm right at the end. There's still little fishes like right here at the bottom. Been stepping on seashells. People out there parasailing. This is so cool. I feel them on my feet. Feet in the water. It's nice and clear out here. It says they seen little fish swimming by. I'm out here in the water now with everybody. I might be going to do the parasailing. I'm not too sure yet. Kayaking looks fun. Fun, fun, fun. Oh, there are fish. Look. Y'all see the fish? They swimming this close right to the end. They're right here all the way at the end. Beach is over. They're still here. Cool. Y'all look what they came up on. There was a snake in the water. Y'all see that? They just out there swimming. I ain't about to touch it though, but you see it? That thing dead, boy. They call that a sea worm. I don't think that's no worm though, my guy. That's a snake for real. That's a snaky snake. Look at this one. Whatever. Oh shit. Right here. He's a clear one. I don't know what kind of fish it is. Bahama Gombe Punch. Caribbean Bottling Company. Hopefully it tastes good. guys are not going to be able to see it on video, but that's where I was just at. You can kind of see it. That island back there. Very cool. As you can see, we're now sailing off. It's our last day. It's been fun. Very fun. Other boats and stuff out there. This has been one of the funnest things to do. I'm gonna stand upside down.
Wipe out! You did so good!
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy named Matthews back again with a little brief outro. Realized when I was editing the video, I forgot to go ahead and do that for you guys. So guess what? We're doing it right now. Anyways, man, I'm back from my trip. I want to say that it was so much fun. And trust me, these videos and these pictures do no justice at all whatsoever for how much fun I had. Especially considering I was pretty much roaming around there by myself on that cruise. Well, with the people that I came with. Now, the cruise will be so much better if you go with your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whatever, or your partners or whatever, so you guys can go to the club and stuff like that together. Now, I ended up going with my family, which you guys may or may have seen just briefly within these couple of days that I was actually on this cruise. The family that I was with was pretty much, majority of everybody was older than me, like way older. My uncles, my aunts, my grandma, my mom, her husband, stuff like that. So everybody was pretty much doing their own thing on their own. Only person that was kind of close to my age was my sister, which she ain't even really close to my age at all. But she was the closest one to my age. And she only kicked it with me for a little bit. So I was pretty much roaming around the ship by myself. So the really dope thing was, though, that I met a group of people. Now, again, most of them were, couples and stuff like that. But there were some solo cruisers and stuff like that. Anyways, man, I was just met up with them. We was doing the surfing stuff together. I was linking up with them when, we was on the little islands and stuff like that. In the clubs, of course. There was a few nights out of the 7 days or whatever that I was on this cruise that we would all, after everything was over with, all the clubs, all the comedy shows, all the dancing shows, ice skating, all that type of stuff like that, we would just link up at the jacuzzi, right? People would bring a couple bottles over there. We just get in the jacuzzi chilling. People have their little radios, boom boxes and everything, listen to music and get drunk some more and stay up till, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning or whatever. If you guys have never been on a cruise, man, just definitely get some of your people together. Get your, your mate or whatever together. Couple of your homegirls, your homeboys, whatever it may be. And go on a cruise, man. This was my second cruise that I ever went on. And this is definitely tops the first one. If you guys want to see the first time I went on a cruise, hit the card that pops up wherever it may be at. I don't even know what year it was, but I went on a cruise very long time ago to like Ensenada. I don't even know. I can't even remember, but the video is up there. If you guys are interested in seeing it, hit the card that pops up. I also got this too as my table thing right here, right? So I got this table. You guys can't really see it, but when I was in the Bahamas, this is one of the things that I picked up right here. This is, some coasters, because I do got a new table again. It's a lift top table and stuff like that. Matter of fact, I should have lifted it up so you guys could see whatever. Anyway, I'll lean over. But yeah, so these are some coasters, some handmade coasters and stuff like that. Got these when I was on CocoCay, as you guys can see right there. And what is this? 6 coasters. It's got like a little elephant print and stuff on them. It's pretty cool. This is actually like my first time like really recording a video, like when I'm at home and I have my good camera recording with this one. And it actually looks pretty good. So yeah. So I think they're all pretty much like the same or pretty similar designs here. On here, of course, hand engraved and stuff like that. So as I was going on the little shops on the island, I was actually seeing people making stuff. They had all type of different stuff, man. It was just extremely fun. And I'm just saying how much better it could be if you actually go with a group of people. Something else I do want to show you guys as well. I don't know if you guys seen my review on this backpack a very long time ago, but this is one of my travel bags right here. This is the Olympia Hopkins backpack. I did a review on it on one of my old channels. Very long time ago. It's got a whole bunch of views and it's great backpack, great quality, everything like that. So when I was actually looking for a suitcase, I was actually surprised that I came across this one because it was by mistake. I wasn't searching for it. It just randomly bumped into it. I said, hey, I got the Olympia Hopkins backpack in the wine colorway. So I did also end up finding the Olympia, I don't know the name of it, but the same company, same colorway with the luggage here. Now, this is just a little brief thing, luggage, right? So, of course, it's got the wheels on it and everything like that goes around. So, it actually did help a lot with travel in the airport. And the reason I'm showing you guys this, too, by the way, because, of course, there's going to be a link in the description if you guys want to, you know, some of the same stuff that I use that I actually like and approve of because, you know, took it on a trip and it's still here. So, it's got a handle to pick it up. Of course, it's got another little handle right here. This thing comes out pretty far. You guys know how luggage do. 1, 2, 3 different things. My bad for the angle, but I'm trying to keep it, you know, vertical like the rest of this video is recorded in. One of the really cool features that I like about this luggage is that it does have a built-in TSA approved lock on it. So you don't have to go buy a big old lock or nothing like that, or, you know, have to worry about forgetting to lock your lock or them having to, anybody cutting it off or anything like that, because it's actually built right in. So as you guys can see, it's a little code. So let me go ahead and enter the code here. So after you enter the code, I ain't gonna show you all my code, you feel me? After you enter the code though, of course, you just go and it just pops open. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me close it again. Unzip it. And it's got like a double zipper too right here. And not 2 zippers to the left and the right, but like another zipper, another set of zippers along the top right here for an extension in case, you know, you're stuffing your stuff too much in there and just like, I gotta take something out. Nah, just undo the second little zipper right here and it extends it a little bit more. All right, now in here, what do I got? Nice little space in here. So the first part, of course, put some stuff in here. Now this did not come with it, but it definitely came in handy for me and everybody in my family that I had bought separately. Again, I'm gonna have a link for this. This is a luggage scale. Make sure, you know, with the airlines, I don't know if it's every airline, but the airline I went on, have to make sure your carry-on is at least under 50 pounds, or you gotta take some stuff out, or you're gonna be charged extra, or they might even not let you take it. Or you're gonna have to, you know, wear extra layer of clothes and stuff like that. So luggage scale there. Some pouches. 1 pouch right here. There's another pouch right here. Actually, what's in here? Oh, just some luggage tags or whatever. I'll keep these in here for the next trip. What else is on here? Something I really liked also. So in addition to the, you know, cords and stuff like that I had, or, you know, some toiletries maybe up in there at the top, it's got a zipper. It actually opens up all the way, but I don't feel like opening it all the way. But yeah, so I actually tucked my shoes in here to keep my dirty shoes away from my clean clothes, or the bottoms of my shoes. You know my shoes stay clean. Speaking of my shoes, you feel me? Check the Gucci's out, man. I got these Gucci's. My lady got these for me for my birthday. My birthday was while I was on the cruise, if you guys noticed that. But yeah, got the Gucci slides. So just bringing this up again because I was just talking about shoes and I always wear these in the house. But yeah. So shoes go in here, of course. Zip this up. Now I know I just said a minute ago I was putting like toiletries and stuff like that in here, but actually this bag has its own little toiletry thing that came with it, so I can I ain't gonna unbutton it, but you guys know what this thing is. It's a clear thing. You put your little bottles in, your approved size of toothpaste, stuff like that, and then when you are ready to take it out, you can just pop it off or whatever with the button. So let's go ahead and put that back. Something that came in handy, of course, which, you know, a lot of luggages may have it, but just showing y'all what's in mine. So this right here, the little, belt right here. So I had, pants and stuff on the other side, shorts and stuff on the other side, packed it in, and then just clip this and, pulled the thing tight right here to make sure everything stayed laid flat and all that. Don't have to smush my stuff. And then you guys can also see this little travel pillow that I had that I don't feel like undoing right now because this is going to be a little hack. This right here was a waste of money. Now, I mean, maybe if you're really sleeping, you don't want to have a messed up neck, you can take that on a plane with you. But when I was like not too sleepy, just trying to lay down, I was still, falling over and stuff like that. So this didn't really help. At the end of the day, I didn't have a crook neck though. So I guess maybe it did its thing. But even though it's extremely soft. Matter of fact, if y'all need one, I'm gonna have the link for y'all for this exact one that I got. I'm gonna throw it in the description. Don't you worry. But anyways, yeah, man. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this to the side. Oh yeah, here's the other little thing right there. I told you guys they had a double zipper, so this is the extra, it's right here, my bad. This is the extra zipper that will extend the luggage. I actually never even used it, but let's see how much extra you'll get. That's a nice size extra. What's that? Another 2 or 3 inches? That'll extend this thing another 2 or 3 inches, man. So yeah, if you guys want the dimensions and all that, just click the link in the description. It's gonna take you to the website. We can actually buy this. Pretty much the whole set. There's the carry-on, the medium one, and the extra large one. This one right here is just the medium one. My carry-on was the backpack that goes with this. It's not the same set, but yeah, you know what I'm saying. Anyways, I just wanted to make a little outro for you guys, let you guys know, man, that if you guys thought these series of videos was cool, to make sure you actually, first of all, watch all of them, because I don't know if you guys watched all 7 days worth of this trip. Secondly, make sure that if you haven't been on a cruise, make sure you go on a cruise, because I'm for sure about to go on another cruise. I'm already looking on the website right now. My family, while we were still on the same cruise, they already booked to go to another one. I didn't book with them though, but I'm actually gonna think of some stuff, man. I'm about to be. We putting this luggage and all that to use, baby. Put it like that. We putting it to use, and we're gonna be up out of here. So if you guys found this video helpful, of course, man, let me know what you guys think. Drop a thumbs up. Let me know where you guys are planning on traveling to, or what cruises that you've been on, and maybe I'll think about going on one y'all checked out. With that being said, though, catch you on the next one. Peace.